everybody, welcome to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you the fall Walmart beauty box. Yes, so I subscribed to this. If you guys want to, it's awesome. It is a 4-year subscription. I think it's like $6.98. So you basically pay $7 every quarter, so every season, for a box full of goodies. The last couple months, or the last couple boxes that I've got have been great. I mean, for a while there, it was a fail, and then the last couple boxes, they have been great. I've been getting some great full-size items, and I'm just ready to dig in. I can already feel this box is full. Like, I'm pressing on it, and there's already, like, a bulge. So, let's just dig in and see what we got, and here it is. Whoa! Okay, so you always get a card inside it, and then it kind of shows all the items that could be in your box, and then sometimes they share with you other stuff. So we're just gonna dig in. So the first thing I got is this Revlon Illuminance Skin Caring Foundation. So it looks like it actually gives you a sample of all the colors that it comes in, which I kind of like because I am like fair skin, but I'm a different skin in the winter time than I am in the fall, or in the summer. So like I usually would probably go light ivory, but maybe in the summer I want to do like light beige or something. So this is just a little sample. If you do get the full size item of it, it's like $13.48 for it, which is actually a pretty good deal. I have yet to try this makeup, but we got that. And I already see 3 full size items in here. 3. So the first thing I see are these press-on falsies. I never wear lash extensions, but this is $14.97. This is a full size, maybe it's not full size, I don't know, but there's no UPC code on it, so maybe this is not a full size, because the full size looks a little bit bigger. This is probably like maybe half of it, but there are 8 false eyelashes in here, and then you got a cute little tweezers. So even if you don't use the eyelashes, you could use those tweezers, which are kind of cool. Yes, it says no glue, just press on and go. So you got 8 of them. And it says it's not for sale, so yeah, this is a sample. But hey, I'll take the tweezers. I will totally take the tweezers. Then I feel like we get this little Cetaphil bottle like in every other box. The full size of this one is $11.97. This is probably maybe worth like $2, not even. So we got that. This is the bulge item, and this actually looks like this. I don't know if this is a full-size item, but it has a UPC code, and this is probably traveling. But this is raw sugar healing power. It is a hair mask. Avocado oil, banana, coconut milk, and agave. If I said that right. But it's really on there. But yeah, there you go. There you go. So we have a hair mask. So that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. Just like that. The full size of this is $9.97. So I'm assuming this is like $5. $5? Yes, we got that. Then we have this Let's Jam Spiraling Curl Gel with coconut oil, avocado oil, wheat protein, no wax, no flaking. So I actually do have mousse in my hair, but this is cool. This is 1 fluid ounce, so the full size of this is $5.97 for 6.8 ounces. So this looks like a good little trial size. I can maybe get my hair done like 2 or 3 times with this. So that's pretty cool. Then I see nail polish. It's a nice pretty red. It is Olive and June. This is $8.98. $8.98 right here for this nice pretty nail polish. I don't know if everybody else gets anything, but it says right here you get CV red. So that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. I'm excited to use this and try it out. But yes, full size right there. That's $9 and you paid $7 for the box. And then we have a full size mascara of CoverGirl. I'm actually wearing the full size mascara that I got like 2 boxes ago, which I'm not a big fan of it because when I put it on, it flakes on the back of my eyelids. So hopefully maybe this one will do it. But this is Lash Blast Cleantopia mascara. So it's a plant powered clean mascara. This is $10.48 for this. $10.48 for this. So right here, you guys, I paid $7 for the box. We got $10.48 and $9.90 or $8.98. So $9 and $10. So 19 bucks right here. 19 bucks of stuff right here. So that was everything that I got. I'm actually pretty impressed with their boxes lately. In the past, I just kind of been disappointed, but you got a full-size mascara, which I'm excited to use. I love nail polish. My daughter's obsessed with nail polish, so we're definitely going to use that. The Cetaphil Daily Cleanser. This is perfect for like when I travel. And then we got the eye falsies, but I really won't use it, but I will definitely be using those little tweezers. I love the tweezers. And then we ended up getting the raw sugar little hair mask. And then I have the little sample of the Revlon. And that seems to be about it. They do have some other items in here. We have, looks like there's some scented bracelets. A Walmart Beauty Box exclusive bracelet. $57.99. Whoever gets those bracelets, let me see a picture of them because it says Hue by Haley Kiyoko scented bracelets. Full size is $57.99. Wow. Okay. Then there is Carol's Daughter's Born to Repair Moisture Treatment. And then we have a body mist of Ariana Grande's Thank You Next. So there's going to be some kind of sample there. And then there is Animals Mask Bar. So they got animal sheet masks that people will be getting. And that is it. And then it says, don't see your product here. Your box may include an extra surprise we thought you'd love. So I'm very happy with the full box of the Walmart Beauty Box. None of these items really scream fall to me, but I'm still happy with what I got. If you guys are interested in a Walmart Beauty Box, all you have to do is Google Walmart Beauty Box and you can check it out. But I've been getting them for a couple years now and I absolutely love it. I kind of forget about it and then it sends it to me. So it is a great subscription if you guys want to try new things, or especially travel items. That's one thing I absolutely love, is love getting travel size items. When we went on vacation this year, I used a lot of the travel stuff that I got for that stuff. So again, thanks for watching. Give this video a great big thumbs up. I will see you guys next time. See you guys all later. Bye-bye.